Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about the new multimedia speakers which are Reconnect Thunderstorm that I have recently bought. These are 2.0 channel speakers, multimedia speakers. We can connect there are two ports given on the right hand side, which are one for the USB drive, one for the SD card that can be connected, and it has a multimedia connectivity through Bluetooth to any of the devices which can have Bluetooth support. Uh, it can also run the FM stations with tuning, and it is having a full featured remote control which can be operated and can be smoothly used. So I'm pressing the start button and I'm starting the device. So these are the modes which are represented by there is a button over here which is called as the source button. So if I press this, then I can go to the different modules. Like this is changed right now, it is further changed, the mode is changed. If I press it again, it is further changed, and then this is the FM mode that you can see. It is already showing the one of the channel, playing one of the channel. Then these are the volume buttons which I am pressing, and the volume is managed. Once the FM channel is on, the indicator will show F. I can press that right tuning button, which is on the right hand side, which will tune it to the next FM channel. Like this, the next FM channel that it is tuned to right now. Further, I can press it further, the tuning button. And the channel is changed further. I can tune it again. I can again press the button, and the next FM channel is switched on. The next FM channel. So it is like if I press it for a second, it won't go to the next channel. If I keep it, hold it, the tuning button for some time, it will automatically go to the next FM channel. So this is for the positive tuning. For the right hand side is for the negative tuning. These are the volume buttons. This is for the play or pause. So I can press it. Amazing speakers. I bought them from Amazon at around 4,700. I also got a 15% cashback promised. So one of the best that I found in this price range category. Amazing sound, and it can go very high. So we can keep on surfing the FM channel till the time we get a proper playing station. So it has started again from the scratch. So this is the mode, which is the FM mode. Again we can go to the same button, which is the source button. And the remote. So I can press the source button and the mode can be reset. Now this source button I pressed again and I have shifted to the other mode, which is the Bluetooth mode. So the indicator is showing BL04 is the volume which is it is playing right now. I can play one of the song in my phone and this can be done. It can easily play one of the songs which I want to play. Then it can connect through the device and you can play the Bluetooth song. Further, if I want to change the mode, I can again press the source button. So it will shift to the audio video mode, which is you can connect the DVD player. Again the mode is changed, which is again the DVD player mode. Again the mode is changed and then again comes the FM. So this way it can be easily smoothly managed. Again in the remote there are some other features like I can mute the music or I can play it again, and so this is one of the best that are there. We can attach the SD card or we can attach a USB drive, and amazing sound, 2.0 speakers, fit in the budget, and they're worth buying. Thank you guys.